In today's video, I'm going to show you how to make a larger scale arrangement for wedding. You can use it for indoor or outdoor reception. Hi, it's Donald here. Welcome to my channel. Have you ever seen one of those arrangements on the internet? They make the flower arrangement on top of a tree trunk for the wedding reception or ceremony. They look awesome. If you want to know the mechanic how to do that, I have another tutorial video on my channel. It will show you step by step how to use a tray to create a wedding flower arrangement. You can check it out. I will put the link in the descriptions and the card up here. I understand some area is so hard to find a tree trunk for the base, no matter how hard you try. But at the same time, your friend or your client really want a tree trunk looking arrangement for the wedding. What are you gonna do? Don't worry, I'm going to show you how to use just 2 plastic buckets to make a DIY tree trunk container for the indoor or outdoor wedding. Also, I will show you how to finish that arrangement with some gorgeous fresh flowers. Very excited, let's jump onto the project. At first, we will have 2 black flower display buckets and hot glue them together. We will put one bucket upside down and glue another bucket on top of it. If you don't have hot glue, you can use glue gun too. Since we are doing larger scale wedding arrangement, I will highly recommend using hot glue. It is so much stronger to support the weight. Okay, now we will put duct tape around it, just to make sure they are not gonna come off. The next step, I will glue moss to cover the buckets so they have a natural base you can work on. I forgot to tell you before the moss, I hot glue few large branches on the buckets to add a different texture for the tree trunk. After the large branches and the moss, we will put some gold and natural color curly willow on it. To create movement and dimensions, I will use bouillon wire and zip tie to hold them in place. After that, we will prepare the container with some midnight foam. So now we are ready to show you how to put some gorgeous flower into this container to create a fabulous wedding arrangement. So let's do it. I hope you found value in this video. Perhaps after this tutorial, you will have a better understanding of how to make a larger scale flower arrangement. If you like wedding design, please check out my 5-part series videos on how to create your own wedding flowers. And we will share on how to make wedding arrangements, bridal bouquet, and flowers with etc. So don't miss it. Okay, that's it for now. Thank you for watching. See you next time.